Aema's news. UAE gets first motor insurance for rain and flood damages. In response to the recent heavy rains in the UAE, the innovative solution provides much-needed relief to the car owners. The insurance policy that covers third-party accidental loss and damages to motor vehicles against flood and storms has been launched for the first time in the UAE. Launched by the Al Fujairah National Insurance Company called as FloodGuard. FloodGuard offers coverage for both personal and company-owned vehicles. Policyholders can get coverage limit of 25,000 dirhams by paying premium 350 dirhams and 50,000 dirhams by paying premium 550 dirhams for a 12-month term. However, if the car gets damaged for a reason aside from storm, like getting stuck in a sand dune, beach, wadi, or man-made body of water, is not covered. Keep watching Aema News for latest updates. Bye bye.